Hey beautiful, welcome back to my channel. Are you looking for that simple but flavorful meal with a twist? Guess what, I've got you covered. Come, let's cook coconut curry bulgur with jollof together. I'm gonna leave all the ingredients in my description box. So to your saucepan, add a splash of oil over medium heat and chop a bulb of onion. Let it saute until soft and it releases its fragrance. Next, blend your tomatoes, peppers, and throw that in as well. Allow that to simmer for about 5 to 10 minutes. Then optional, you can add tomato puree, or you can skip that entirely. Next, add your seasoning of choice. Okay, so I use adobo, I use garlic powder and thyme, as well as curry powder. Okay, so just toast that in and stir. This allows the seasoning to toast and release its fragrance. Okay, remember this helps to build flavor as well. All right, you can now add a tablespoon of curry powder to the sauce. Allow that to cook for a minute. Then go ahead, rinse your bulgur wheat and add that to your sauce. Stir all together, ensuring that it's well incorporated. Allow that to saute for about 2 minutes. Then you can introduce a cup of coconut milk to the bulgur wheat, which is already steaming. So you can either use coconut milk or vegetable stock or water. Bulgur wheat doesn't need lots of water to cook, and it also cooks fast, so you really don't need a lot of water. But just make sure you are mindful, or you're measuring the amount or quantity of water that you're adding to your rice or wheat. Right. Once you add the coconut milk, add salt. Adjust it if it's not enough, and then cover to steam for about 20 to 25 minutes until it is soft. Okay. Now, if you've been watching my videos and you are yet to subscribe, I'll kindly ask you to hit the subscribe button or follow on Facebook. After 20 minutes, just check if your wheat is soft, and if it is, just fluff it with a fork. And for nutrition and color, you have the option to add extra veggies. You can either do chopped carrots, green peas, or bell peppers. Again, it's entirely down to your preference. In this particular video, I also steamed broccoli as additional veggies, just to boost what I already have in my jollof. So you can also have a look at how I steamed my broccoli. I would always encourage you to steam it using a strainer. Don't dump the vegetable straight into the water, because it tends to lose a lot of the nutrients. But when you use a strainer, you are able to retain much of the nutrients in your vegetable. Okay, thank you so much for always watching my video. And just like I mentioned, if you haven't subscribed, do well to hit the button. Thank you once again, and God bless you. Stay safe. I love you. Bye.